this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 31 and today's topic will be how to use Llama Index agent with LLM using uh, using maybe OpenAI GPT-4 LLM. Okay, so basically in this tutorial I'll teach you how to use Llama Index agents with LLMs. You can use any of the LLMs, but in this tutorial I'll be going to use OpenAI LLM. So I believe this is the first tutorial where I'll be going to uh, get some hands-on with Llama Index agent, and mostly in this tutorial I'll be going to use React agent. Okay, so the source code will be available here. So I'm actually super excited because slowly I'm covering all the intermediate concepts, and hopefully by next 10 tutorials, within next 10 tutorials probably we'll be able to finish all the intermediate steps, and the advanced tutorials I'll be going to the advanced tutorials and the project hands-on will be start very soon. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's start working on the actual part, the coding part. So first of all, let's import the llama index. Okay, llama index dot llms. Okay, dot openai. Okay, then import openai, right? And let's set up the LLM here. So LLM is actually then model equals to GPT-4o, right? Okay, so this is our GPT-4 I embedded. Now next thing we'll be going to import couple of more things. Okay, so first thing we'll be going to import the function tool. So similar to LangChain, basically there is not much difference. Okay, llama index. So llama index dot core, then I believe dot tools. Okay, and we'll be going to import the function tools. Okay, function tool. Okay, and now we'll be going to import the React agent. Okay, so again it will be core then agent. Okay, so from llama index dot core dot agent import React agent. Okay, so that's it. Okay, now what I will do, I'll be going to create some functions, and in the functions that function I'll be going to add inside this function tool. Okay, and that tool will be going to call using LLM. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's first create our first function called multiply. Okay, so basically this is going to use two number. Okay, a and b. Okay, right? And what we'll do, I'll be just going to write multiply the given two numbers and return the result. Okay, okay, sorry guys, I forget that I have to type very slowly because I have a problem with my keyboard. Okay, so and then what we'll do, we'll be just going to return. Okay, what will be written? Return will be a into b. That's it. Now what we'll do, I'll be going to write another function def uh, cos angle. Okay, so I want to actually identify the cos uh, of an angle. Okay, so let's say write n in its degree in radian. Okay, and what we'll do, okay, so we're going to write, okay, so what we'll do, um find the find the find the cosine of the given angle. Okay, and return this. These are very simple. I think similar thing I already did in LangChain. Okay, okay, right? And how to find the cosine angle? So for that we need to use numpy. So import numpy as np, right? And here what we'll do, I'll be just going to write np.cos, okay, and inside that I'll be just going to pass this, and what we'll do, we'll be just going to write return this. Everything is completed, right? Okay, so that's it. Now what will happen, now the main thing, now we have to add this two tool inside the function tool. So let's create two variable. First is empty multiply tool and another one is actually cosine tool ct. Okay, so what will be happen, function tools, function tool, okay, dot from defaults, okay, right? And here fn equals to function name, fn equals to multiply, it is multiply, it's my mistake, multiply, okay, and I'm just going to remove that, and ct, okay, function tool dot from defaults, okay, okay, fn equals to, let's say, okay, right, fine, okay, that's it. Now what we'll do, now we'll be going to create the agent. Okay, so agent equals to react agent, okay, so react agent dot from tools, right? So it's done. So what we'll do, so inside the tools, what we'll be going to write, there are a couple of tools, right? So this tool will be basically a list, so I'll be just going to write empty and ct, right? LLM is already there and probably I don't need any memory, and I want to write the verbose, okay, so verbose equals to true. What is this? Oh my god, the caps lock is suddenly not working on my computer. I don't know why. Okay, finally. Then let's write response, okay, equals to agent, okay, dot chat, and inside that I'll be just going to write something, and here with print I will write the response. That's it. So guys, see, when you are going to develop some large scale integration project, so that time you will have multiple requirement and everything will be part of this thing, right? So these things are very much important, right, to know. Okay, so basically I can ask anything and it is actually depending on the question, the LLM will understand which tool to use and it will actually do the rest of the thing. Okay, so first thing I'll be going to ask, what is the answer of 76 into this? Let's see. At the first I'm asking a tricky question. Okay, okay, so where actually the error is coming, react agent worker from tool, oh, react agent worker, okay, so I think I did some mistake, just hold on. What is the problem here? React agent from tools, okay, react agent from tools, mtct LLM equals to this, okay, and verbose equals to true, so LLM equals to LLM, okay, that's it. Let's execute. Yeah, so I forgot to mention the LLM. So see, thought current multiply and it is actually giving you the answer, and just because I put the verbose equals to true, it is giving you. So now I'll be going to ask it in a different way. What is the multiplication of 76 and this? Let's see. Now I'm asking in a different way. Okay. Now let's ask a wrong question. Okay. But just because I have already put the LLM, hopefully it will be able to ask what is the uh, square of 76. So 76 square means 76 into 76. Let's see whether it is able to answer it or not. Yeah, see. Now let's ask what is the cube of 76. So let's see. I'm asking some negative question. Okay, so I have calculated, thought I have calculated. Now I need to multiply. Okay, the current language is English, so I need to use the tool to help me to answer the question. Action multiply this running step. So, okay, yeah, it's very intelligent. See, it is using its internal like memory to remember the previous step result and do it. So that is what I want to show you guys. Just look at this step. These things are like becoming very exciting right now, right? Okay, so now let's ask something from the numpy. What is the cosine of 76 degree? Okay, so let's see. Amazing. Okay, so yeah, so that's it guys. I'm actually um, kind of amazed by the like internal flow between the steps, right? So I actually amazed. I thought it was going to use its internal LLM to answer the cube of this thing, but it is actually breaking down the things and it is answering the thing. I'm totally amazed by this thing. Okay, you can think this is a very simple operation, but just imagine whenever you are going to do some large scale integration, and there you have to have a requirement of multiple agents are talking to each other. That time this uh, small execution and the communication between the previous steps and the next steps is very much important, and those things are happening in front of our eyes. So yeah, it's super cool. Okay, so enough of talking, guys. I think um, this is a right approach you are following. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the React agent, and next is in the same type of tutorial. Maybe tomorrow I'll be just going to post another tutorial, and in that tutorial I'll be going to show you how to use function call agent, and there I'll be going to cover another use case. Okay, so just stay tuned, keep watching our videos, keep sharing, keep supporting us, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Your one subscription is very much important to me. Basically, I love to grow and I need your support, guys, to grow. Okay, so that's it for today. I think I can conclude the video over here. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day and happy learning. Thank you.